Just a test stream here, getting ready for the rocket launch here in 34 minutes, T-minus 34 minutes, 35 seconds.
41 seconds counting. At this point, assuming SpaceX is in fact still on target with today's launch, which all indications at this singular moment in time suggest that they are, propellant mode will start it. Again, that process begins with loading RP1 or that rocket-grade kerosene on board the Falcon 9 first and second.
Hey Jerry, I'm just testing things out here. Internet is very spotty out here at the Kennedy Space Center, but we are 34 minutes from launch and all indications are everything is going to be rocking and rolling. So this has actually been my first live video, so I don't know what I'm doing.
Point toward the traffic lights. That's where our view is going to be.
That's Mrs. Josh's Weathers giving me some info here. It's very important, but I'm just testing this out now, and then what I'm probably going to end up doing is going live here when we get closer to save some battery on my phone, and that way y'all don't have to hear everybody behind me chatting about their day. But beautiful weather out here at Space Coast. I think we're about 80 degrees. Got an east-southeasterly breeze, which is helping. The humidity's moderate. Couldn't have picked a better week to visit Florida here. Oops. Try not to get too many random folks in here. The launch is going to be from Launch Pad 39A, which is northeast of the Space Center on the northern cape of Cape Canaveral. And there's not really a great beach to see it up close. You can go up northeast side of Titusville. It'll be about 10 miles away there. We're staying in Port Canaveral. That's about 10 miles down the beach. But since we're already with the family here at Kennedy Space Center, checking out all the cool exhibits, buying up their merchandise, we are here and we're sticking around. We're gonna get a once-in-a-lifetime experience. So excited about this. This is the SpaceX Falcon 9. Hey, Lil LV772. So I am just doing a little test stream here. I will get an actual live going here probably about 5:20 p.m. Eastern, 2:20 Pacific for those of you who might be watching. And Puerto Rico's getting stormed on big time. Thank you, Jay, for giving me the report. Yeah, I'll admit, when I'm on vacation, I don't sit and stare at the weather all day. Even though it's important, I try to do things with my family, and it's a blessing to be able to do that because a lot of folks work 24/7, 365. God bless you. But I have been watching. It's been nasty down there in the Caribbean. Let's hope that it gets better here pretty soon. Florida, it's hot down here. All the weather's been up across Tornado Alley and into the mid-Atlantic. And we have an enhanced risk for severe weather tomorrow afternoon and evening over the midsection of the country. I do think there'll be a few tornadoes, probably nothing too strong, we're hoping anyway. But it may look kind of like what it looks like right now in Ohio and western PA, and hopefully no worse than what we saw in Iowa and Illinois yesterday around this time and a little bit later. So anyway, this is just a test video just to make sure everything is running. We've got 31 minutes and counting to lift off here from SpaceX Falcon 9, Launch Pad 39, I believe. And we are blessed enough to potentially be able to see this happen again tomorrow. Kind of a double header, 2 days in a row. These are Starlink satellites, low orbiters, and unmanned, but they are getting sent up into space. The next, I believe, manned flight will be around May 6th or 7th, so we're going to miss that, but that'll be in about 3 weeks, weather permitting. So thank you guys for joining me. Those of you in Ohio, Michigan, West Virginia, Western PA, hope you guys stay safe and follow your watches and warnings. I will not be live streaming weather. There's lots of great folks doing that. Reed Timmer, Brian Hall, y'all, all of them do a great job covering that. There's so many of them I can't even try to compete, but one day that'll be something I'm set up to do. So I will join you guys again in progress here in about 25 minutes. Hope you have a blessed afternoon. Be safe. I am.